particular session is just to explain to you how you can find your way around on expert options and how you can definitely make money on it, okay? So this section is just to enlighten you to know what exactly you want to do and make.
Yeah, baby, let me link this thing now.
Guys, please.
Hello, ma.
All right, guys, please let everybody be muted so that we can have a free flow, and then we're not going to stay so long here, okay? Let everybody mute themselves, please. So like I was saying, this section is just to show you around on how you can actually make money on expert option and everything you really need to know about it. In our later section, we might be talking about strategy, but here I just want to take you around, walk you around everything you really need to know about it, and we'll be on the same page, okay? Now, when we talk about expert options trading platform, it's actually a platform just like Deriv, just like Xness and all those brokers that you know. However, they have, a rule for themselves. They have rules for themselves, mean that they have their own personal trading platform. And if you're new to trading, let me just break it down for you. We have something that we call platform for trading, whereby you can go on there and you access a lot of assets or a lot of pairs for you to actually trade on. Talking about trading, we are just talking about buying and selling of a particular pair or a particular currency, okay? Buying and selling just to make money. You can either make money buying or selling, either ways, as long as your technicals are good. Talking about technical analysis, it's just in form of, predicting what market will do with technical tools. That is exactly what technical analysis means. So if you're new to trading, that is just a brief about trading. So I would also advise that you read more about Forex trading, okay? So let's just go into the business of the day. So when we're talking about this expert option, it's a trading platform on its own where they bring on board their assets for you to trade, and they also have rules on how you can trade them. And trust me, it is simpler than you can think of. I've seen a lot of people talking about, oh, Forex this, oh, they will take your money and all of that. If you're somebody that you know more about Forex trading, you will definitely know that it is in two ways. Let me put it that way. It is in two ways. You make money, you lose money. It's in two ways. It's just like the businesses we do in our day-to-day activities. You make money, you lose money, and life goes on, okay? As long as the money you are making is much more than what you're losing, you're fine and you're good to go. If you have a 60% win and you have a 40% loss, I don't really think you should have a problem with that. I really don't think you should have a deep problem with, winning 60% and losing just 40%. And you have a good risk to reward ratio. You are absolutely fine. I mean, you are okay. If you have a ratio of 1 to 3 and you win 60% of the time and you lose 40% of the time, you are still on the profits level. Okay, you are still on the profits level. So it should not be a point of concern to you that I want to lose money or something. No, the main thing you should think about is life is in two ways. Of course, it's either we make money or we lose money. However, the money we're going to be making should be more than what we're going to be losing. And that is what Forex is all about. And exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing you would encounter when you start trading on the expert options, okay? Exactly the same thing. So I'm not here to sugarcoat things that, oh, you will not lose any money, or something. No, I'm not here to sugarcoat it. All it just takes is for you to build a good strategy, a sustainable strategy for yourself. Build a sustainable strategy for yourself in such a way that you know that at least 6 out of 10 times you can win. Okay, 6 out of 10 times you can win. And when we talk about strategy, it should be something that you are able to build by yourself and you are able to review by yourself on the chart to see exactly if it works or not. It should not be something that you just catch somewhere and you just feel, oh, yes, it should work. It will take your dedication. It will take your time. It will take you to sit down and think about it that, oh, does this thing really work? Let me check it on chat. It will require your personal evaluation. It is not something someone can do for you. It will require your personal words, your personal evaluation. So let me just walk you guys through on the platform. Then in our next session that we'll be doing we are going to be doing that very soon. We're going to be talking about strategy, building of strategies on the platform. But right now, let me walk you through everything you need to know, the nooks and crannies, everything that you need to know about it, because I've seen a lot of people come to my DM to ask me, oh, synthetic goddess, this expert option you are talking about, can we trade synthetic indices there? I'm going to answer all of those questions on this call. So just be patient and wait. And I definitely know that the goal of everybody is to make money. The goal is to make money. And if you truly want to make money, you need to be a patient person. You can't be impatient and say you want to make money. It's not possible. So you have to be a patient person. You have to learn patience and catch all the information you will be getting. So I'm going to explain everything right now. And as you can see, this is the platform. I just opened it fresh, This is the fresh platform. I just logged in my account. If you're here to create an account, definitely a link will be dropped in the channel, or a link is actually there that you can use to get registered. So when you registered, it is definitely going to bring you up on this platform, okay? It will bring you here on this platform, and this is the exact thing you would see. Now, let us run through the platform. You can see the charts. If you're familiar with forex trading, if you've been a forex trader and all of that, if you've done anything forex trading before, I'm not talking about the total beginners, okay? If you've done anything forex trading before, you can see that this is the chart, right? This is the chart. This is where we do our technicals. This is where we make analysis. The chart consists of candles, right? It consists of candles that are giving a particular information. And the information it is giving is the activities of all traders in the market. That is what candles give. And that is what creates or sum up to become chart that we talk about. When you hear people say chart, it is a summation, or it is the sum of all the activities of traders in the market. You will see some people saying, I want to buy. Some people will say, I want to sell. That is exactly the same thing that is happening in the market. While some people are buying, some people are also selling, and it is reflecting on the activities. It is reflecting on those candles, right? It is reflecting on those candles, and that is what creates patterns. Now, when you log in, you're going to see the chart. Right now, if you want to change the time frame, because currently I think it is on 1 second time frame or some seconds time frame, I don't really know. So if you want to change the time frame, you come down, just watch where my cursor is going to, and just be patient and see everything I'm going to be doing. And at the end of this call, I definitely know that you will be able to proudly say that you've walked through the platform successfully. Now, the next thing will be building a sustainable strategy to make money. Everybody wants to make money. So as long as it will bring money, you should be involved. As long as you're a trader and it is about trading, you should be involved. So you come to, and then you come here, see where my cursor went to at this down part. Once you click on it, you will see it like a trend in a rectangle format. Once you click on it, you can see that it is on 5 seconds. Now, I do not want to analyze 5 seconds chart. I do not want to do that. I am a trader that tries to analyze what is happening on the higher time frame, and it is going to help me make decision on the lower time frame. So you could just go to, 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame. So let's put it on the 4 hours time frame and see. Now, if you want to change it from line, sometimes you'll see something like this. Sometimes you'll see something like this on the chart you go to. So you change it to candles. I put it on the 4 hours time frame. So let's go. And you can see the 4 hours chart, this and USD. So if you also want to make analysis on trading view before coming here to, place trades, it is totally fine, because if you can make good analysis on trading view, then it should not be a problem to you. So this is Euro USD. Let's walk through all the assets that you can actually trade. Now, this is going to answer. These are the only assets you can trade. Look at them. You can trade Euro USD, you can trade Smarty, you can trade Alcon index, but you cannot trade volatility indices. Those indices are meant for derivative. This is another trading platform on its own. So you cannot trade derivative indices here, but you can trade currency pairs here. And you can trade some other assets. You can trade gold. You can trade Bitcoin and see. You can trade Bitcoin. There are a lot of assets that you can trade and you would love to explore. So if we put it on Bitcoin, you can see the chart of Bitcoin displaying. This is the chart of Bitcoin, right? So you can make your analysis. You can see that we are currently in a downtrend. Okay, I'm our strategy already. It's fine. A break of structure to the downside. Let me put this here. To the downside here. So since this is our last break of structure, obviously you want to be looking for more sales move, interest. For people that has been trading, you will need a good point of interest to want to continue the movement. I'm still going to explain. Confused on I pick time frame, where I change the time frame, where I change it from line to chart in to see exactly what you're doing, to see your point of interest. And the funny thing, which is up to 5 seconds time frame, you can go up to 5 seconds time frame. You can do that. And if you go up to 5 seconds time frame, you'll be able to pick your trade properly well, right? You'll be able to know exactly where you want to pick your trade. So let's go. Let's continue. We have finances here. That is where you're going to deposit, make your withdrawal and all of those things. When you want to make a deposit, start with as low as $10, okay? Okay. Currently, you can make your withdrawals. You can make your withdrawals. You can do everything. And if you're just getting started, so you can use that to leverage more on your trade. This is where my profile, you guys can see it. This is where my profile is. All this number for this expert option. Everything about it is there. This is where you can download every time. This is where you can download the app. And let me tell you guys something. The app also, for somebody like me that do not like going on the website, I would also tell you guys that you should do well in downloading the app. Somebody that just wants to be on your own on the website, it's apps and all of those things. Now, education. Start first steps and will teach you skill developments. This is actually mind-blowing, basically, from also, but I do not want to introduce something that I will not be able. That's why I am creating this video. If not, I would have just said you guys should go and watch it here. But I just need to give you guys detailed information so that at the end of this, for everybody to make money. So let us just take your time to review everything they talked about, how to build a simple strategy on it. You can actually watch it and use that in creating your own person. This particular platform is actually easy to trade. I'm not going to lie to you guys. This platform is very easy to trade. In as much as Forex is not something that you say is very the work, right? So you can the education level. We have the asset level. You can see all of the assets that there, which makes it more amazing. Some of the assets that you are seeing here, you will not see them on currency pairs. Luxury index. I'm not sure it's on CP. I'm not sure some broker offers it. Cricket, see how they work and all of those things. When you need, talk about help, you chat up the live chat and all of those things. And all those are the things that you can do there. This is the settings level. You can, the trade settings and all of those things. Just all of those things there, okay? You can do all of those things there. Now, you can create a demo account. In fact, immediately you register, right? Immediately you get registered, you are automatically given a demo account before you create your demo accounts. Okay? So, you automatically get a demo account. Please, guys, please. I would beg you, okay? As much as you are trying to develop your strategy, please try and use the demo account first. Whatever strategy you are building, use the demo account first. Test your strategy, look at what is happening and all of those things, just for you to confirm well. Then after, and see how far you can grow it. So, but for you to get started in total, I need you guys to start with a demo account. Start with a demo account, especially if you're a beginner. But if you're somebody that already, it's going to be very easy for you to come on board here and just say, I want to sell, I want to buy. It will be very easy for you. Okay. Now, let me go straight to exactly why I need to placing your trades. When it comes to placing your trades, why? Now, you guys, number one is investment. What is investment? If you're already a trader, if you want to place a trade that you want to put, you will have an amount you want to risk in your mind. So, for instance, if I have a $100 account, automatically means that when I place my trade, I will know where to put my stop loss, right? However, in this place, whatever your investment is, and you click on buy or sell, it automatically gets deducted until probably you are in profit. Then it comes back with the returns. Let me explain that again. So if I have $100, guys, please, guys, can you unmute yourself, please? Please, can you unmute yourself so that... Okay, thank you. Okay, so your $10 investment. Now, okay, good. If I have like $100, I'm not sure this is placing. I guess my network is pretty bad, guys. Now, this is $10 investment here. My network is poor. Apologies, please. Okay, let me change the time frame again. Let me put the time frame on. Let's just say 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Confirm, okay? So this is your $10 investment. My network is pretty bad, okay? So this is your $10 investment. If you have like $1,000 and you just, all you want to risk, remember I am always shouting about risk, minimizing your risk, okay? If I want to risk $10, right? If I want to risk $10, this is where I will put it. If I want to risk lesser than that, I will just click on it and deduct it. If I want to risk just 5, I'll just click on it. Now you can see that this is sell 80%, buy 80%. What does that mean? It automatically means that this is your investment of $5. So if you press on sell and it goes your way, if you press sell and it goes your way, you will have 80% of return, including your investments. That is what's 80% of $5. Hold on, guys. Let me see. 80% of $5 is, I think, 4. Yeah. $4, okay? That's 80% of $5. Now, when the sell goes your way, if you click on sell and it goes your way, you will get $9 in return, $9 in total. That is what it means. You will get $9 in total. So if you invest $10, let's say we put $10 right now. Please listen attentively. I do not want you guys to get confused. So let's say I put $10, right? And I click on sell and the sell goes my way, right? I will get in total $18. I will get in total $18. If I click on buy also and it goes my way, I will get in total $18. But if it goes against me, listen attentively. That is why you need to be conscious of your risk, of your investment. If it goes against me, my $5 will be gone. Okay, my $5 will be gone if it goes against me. If I click on sell now and the market starts buying and it closes without coming back to, without going my way, it automatically means that my $5 is gone. And that is why I always talk about risking what you can afford. For instance, if I deposit 100 USD now, at least I'm going to split it into like $5. My investment will be like $5. So it will take me 50 trades. It will take 50 trades to go wrong against me before I blow that account. Let me put it again. If I deposit 100 USD now, and I start putting for $5 as my risk, as my investment risk, it will take 50 trades to go wrong. It will take 50 trades to go wrong against me before I actually lose my 100 USD. How would I wait for 50 trades to go wrong against me? If 10 has gone wrong and I'm not right there, then I need to go back and, refine, backtest, and see what exactly went wrong. It might not be with my strategy. It might be about fear. It might be about my psychology. So by the time 10 trades has gone against me, I know that I still have some cash, right? I still have about half of this thing. I still have
one cost about 9,000, depending on that.
Okay, so now let me recap this. If I have 100 USD and I put $5 investment, sorry, it is 20 trades. It will take 20 trades to go against me before my account gets drained. Okay? And by the time 10 trades has gone against me on a row, I would definitely want to go back and reevaluate and rebacktest. So that is why it is very necessary that when you are looking at the risk you want to take, ensure that it is a calculated risk. So when you see 80%, it simply means that it is 80% of the investment you are putting that you will get back in return when you get it. Now, this deal duration is also one of the major things I want to explain to you guys. You can see that the deal duration currently is 30 seconds. It automatically means that if I press this buy now, and within 30 seconds, the trade did not go my way, I'll lose my money. Within 30 seconds, the trade does not go my way, I'll lose my money. Okay? But within that 30 seconds, if the trade goes in my favor, I'll gain 80% with my investments. Now, let me tell you why this is actually amazing. It is because you do not have to sit all day long watching your trade fluctuating, going up, going down, going up, going down without any direction, and you do not still know where the market wants to go to, and your psychology is messed. I'm always of the opinion that if stop loss wants to eat, it should eat me out immediately. And if it wants to go my way, it should go directly. I do not like a fluctuating market. I do not like when market is ranging. It messes with my psychology. So I'm always of the fact that when a trade wants to go right, it should go right. I should put in my mind and say, oh, this trade has gone right. But if it will go wrong, it should go wrong all at once and let me know the next thing I'm supposed to do. So you can change this deal duration to anything you like. You can see we have 6 minutes, 30 seconds. You can custom it. You can custom your deal duration. I can put 1 minute, 30 seconds. You can see 30 minutes. I can put 60 minutes. You can custom it. You can do whatever you like with it. So if you feel, oh, the next 1 hour candle should be a bull move, I'm going to custom it in that manner. Okay? I'm going to custom it in that manner. And once the 1 hour is reached and my trade goes well, close in profit, it closes in profit. And if my trade goes wrong, it's going to take out my investment. And if you check the pictures on the channel, it is always showing 0.00. That is when the investment is gone. That is when it shows 0.00. I've asked that question also from people that, oh, it's not bringing out loss. Is it that you are setting break even? No, it is because the investment is gone and it is showing me that I did not make any profit. But when you see profit, it means that this is a particular amount of profits that comes into, the investment I made. So now the key point, the main reason I made this webinar or this video is because I need to place your trade and getting new on it. Okay, you are still new on it, and you need to get to know the platform such that if you are getting signals, once you get the signal, you place the trade and immediately you are good to go. Now, another thing I need to tell you guys, if you want to be taking the signals, please take note of this. If you want to be taking the signals, ensure that you put a specific ringing tone for that particular group, such that immediately it drops. Immediately you see that the signal drops, you're already on your app and you place the trade immediately. You place the trade immediately, because if it's like 5 seconds, 10 seconds or 30 seconds long and you have not yet placed the trade, I might have closed and you will still be in the market. Or market might have, closed me out based on my deal duration. My deal duration might just be 30 seconds, or my deal duration can just be 1 minute. And my 1 minute is completed while yours is not yet completed. So it is very key and important that if you want to take the signals, you put it on a specific ringing tone, such that when you get it, you're already on your app and you are doing it immediately. Then for the strategy, most of the strategy that, I made a video currently, I made a video not quite long, talking about backtesting of strategy. The strategy that I am backtesting is based on the knowledge I have about trading before. If you are in my Synthetic Goddess channel, in fact, you should not be struggling with this. Okay, you should not be struggling with this, because I've made a lot of videos about how you can analyze and all of those things, and they work perfectly for expert options too. They work perfectly for all currency assets. I think I've always said this. They work perfectly for all assets. All you just need is, where is your break of structure, including lower time frame, including the seconds time frame. Once you can get your last break of structure. So hold on, let's put it on 10 seconds. You can see, once I can get the last break of structure, I look for a possible liquidity market will take. And what do you see? If a drop, it gives me like a drop in the direction that I am expecting markets to go. I enter it, and I might just say, in the next 30 seconds, I really want it to be a sell. I put it there, and most often it works. Like, most often it works perfectly on it. So if you have a strategy, trading currency pair, trading synthetic indices, it works exactly and perfectly for this also. All you just platform to know your way around the platform. It shouldn't be list out your last break of structure, your possible liquidity, and you are good to go. So you do not have any stress. There is no problem. There is nothing. All you just need is get your strategy and come here with it. Even on the 5 seconds time frame, if you have a good trading strategy, it works. Your last break of structure, possible liquidity, PO high, it's there. Markets will react there. All the assets that you are seeing here are also the assets that are being displayed on TradingView. You can make analysis on TradingView. For instance, I can place gold. I can trade gold. I can just like sell gold on my normal account. And on this expert option, I'll just say, let me come and put gold here. Let me place trade on gold too. You are making money in 2 different places with just one analysis. Okay, so you have to put yourself together and know exactly what you are doing and make money